Okay, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted, and the white you can see is the reflection of the lights. First piece, basically just the face there. Some of this brown I think will polish off. It's really a beginner's parcel. This piece is very fine line of opal through here, very fine. Probably maybe even too fine for to cut. This piece I don't think's got anything much in it. This piece has got a line of colour coming back through here, so it may well cut in a nice stone. Anyway, it's only a cheap parcel. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.